Hey everyone, just gonna do a little bit of a winter hike. It's about 18 degrees Fahrenheit, and I guess welcome back to the channel. I have been MIA for a while, building up my van and just kind of relaxing, working. I'm Brad. I live in my 2024 Sprinter, and I welcome back if you have ever been here. Not many people have, but it's okay. Anyways, here to do a hike. I'll see what kind of views and what kind of hiking that I can get done. It's getting ready to snow. They're calling for a lot of snow tonight. Maybe not a lot, but maybe 6 inches, and then freezing rain tomorrow. I don't know how it's going to be freezing rain. It's supposed to be 24 degrees. I don't know. So maybe the atmosphere is a little bit warmer. I am not a meteorologist. So anyways, welcome back. And yeah, let's see what kind of content I can come up with. Not a very long hike. I think I'm gonna do about 3 miles. Not too bad. Well, so I'm gonna go the loop and come back down this way. Go over and do the overlook. Overlook should be cool. I was here probably in the fall. This is Poor Mountain Nature Preserve. I was here in the fall, so I want to see how much you can see, and kind of wanted to do this. It's snowing a little bit, but I wanted to do this now to kind of look at the snow and see how much you can actually see out over in the valley. It's a very rocky trail. I have ran this before, but very slow. And of course, that was when I was in shape and I could run to a stop sign, or past the stop sign. How about that? But yeah, actually when I got in here, there was one more person here and he was running. So I kind of missed that. I don't think this is the trail. Hold on. Did I miss the trail? Yes, I did. Holy crap. There you go. How about there's some at the end adventures. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've ever been here, while I fall and bust my butt, that'll be good. I'll get a lot of views then. See how rocky it is. But I guess I can tell you, at the end is kind of my brand, sort of. I come up with it about 8 or 9 years ago when I was wanting to open up a brewery. I always had this saying at the end of anything, at the end of a long day, at the end of a workout, at the end of a hike especially, at the end of any type of adventure at all, there's always a beer waiting for you. I'm actually at my parents' house, helping them out, doing some things. I'm going to be leaving in about a month or two, or a month and a half, and getting back on the road, heading kind of to the southwest, so I can land in the southwest to finish out the winter. I have a nice pot of chili on the stove that I prepared that's just sitting there and simmering. So I'm going to do this hour and a half hike, walk, exploration, and then get back and finish off the hike with a beer. Anyways, once I get up to this overhang, I'll film. remember what this bush is called. This is a wild, I don't know. I know they're not rhododendrons, but I can't remember what they're called. Anybody help me out? Comment below. But anyways, they normally above freezing, they're broad-leafed. But looks like they've closed up for the winter. Yeah. Really cool though. I don't know if I've ever seen them like this or paid attention to it. Yeah, haven't seen any wildlife. Thought I heard some, but nope, none. Would absolutely, before I leave Virginia, I would absolutely love to see a bear out on the trail. Here, there's a lot of black bear, especially in this area. And but they stay in the near the residences because of the trash. You'll go to any mountainside home, and they have the trash cans locked up. But I have never seen a bear out on the trail. Down at the bottom. Let's see how icy this creek is. Pretty. So pretty. Anyways, trail goes back around that way, and then there's like an overlook, but it's not a very good overlook, so I'm going to skip that and head back to the van. Yes, I am cold. As soon as I get to the van, I am going to turn the heat on. Yep, parking lot, 1.6 miles. See you there. Sorry, I have to show you this. It's so pretty. I don't know if the camera's showing it. Going up the trail. I am going to be winded going back, so I'm not going to film too much. But because I am way out of shape. I don't know if you can see or hear. It's snowing. It's just so peaceful. I love it when it first starts to snow, or even rain, even mist rain. It's just so peaceful. I'm the only one on the trail today, other than that one runner that was finishing when I got here. But yeah, cool. I definitely, unless I see something, if I see a bear, that'd be cool. I think. I don't know. Depends on where the bear is. We'll see. But if I see something cool, I will pull the camera out. All right, we're almost done. So yeah, just started here. I went out here and then went up around this way. I did take the outer loop, which is about 0.6 miles. And then the only part I didn't do is that part right there. Yeah. Starting to come down a little bit harder. All right. All right, made it back from a hike. Made a little bit of a mess in the van. Got my lights on. Oh yeah, my hair looks good. Anyways, good hike. I'll check the mileage and let you know. Yeah, I'm gonna get undressed, and then get warmed up. Get my heater on. Get my heater on. And then, yeah, head back. I don't know where the camera is. Where is the camera? Oh, there it is. Okay. But yeah, go back and get a cup of chili. Perfect day for it. See you back home. Bye. All right, I'm getting ready to head back and just sitting here relaxing for a little bit, enjoying the heat in the van. Yeah, I know that I've done some videos before, and I never do an exit video or an outro. I don't know what it is. I never do an entrance video and an out video. So I'm going to try to do that. Yeah, we'll see where this goes. I want to do a lot of adventure videos. I have sold everything. I have built out this van. I live in it full time. Be heading out west in about a month, and come along with me. We'll see what I get into. I've got a full-time job where I work 50-60 hours a week, and I work from the van and also travel a lot. So yeah, come along with me and let's see what we get into. Anyways, I'm gonna head back, and we'll see you on the next one. And like, subscribe, push the little bell button. I promise I won't bother you too much. And again, let's go have a beer at the end. Cheers.